Hi, I'm Nicholas Pape, a PhD student in the Earth and Environment Department. I did a joint internship this summer with Synapse Energy Economics, an energy and environmental consulting firm, and Climable, a climate change and clean energy-oriented nonprofit this summer. I focused on establishing performance goals, metrics, and targets for evaluating the performance of ENOs and TNOs grid resiliency investments. Extreme weather events, such as large storms, are becoming more severe across the country, posing a threat to electricity service reliability for ratepayers in urban areas, including New Orleans, which was hit hard by Hurricanes Katrina and Ida. Utilities across the country are looking to invest in grid resiliency measures to increase the reliability of electricity services to ratepayers. However, utilities want to pass on the costs of these investments onto the ratepayers, posing a trade-off between the reliability and the affordability of electricity services to ratepayers. Public utility commissions determine whether utilities can pass on the costs of such investments onto ratepayers. Entergy New Orleans, or ENO, is a utility that provides electricity services to ratepayers in New Orleans. They want to invest in grid hardening measures to reduce the duration of outages spurred on by extreme weather events. Together New Orleans, or TNO, is a nonprofit that wants to invest in building resilience hubs to be powered by solar and batteries, the latter of which would be used by ENO to supply electricity to ratepayers during the aforementioned outages. The Alliance for Affordable Energy, or AAE, is a consumer advocacy nonprofit that hired Synapse to provide information on how public utility commissions across the country are assessing the performance of utility grid resiliency investments to inform the New Orleans City Council on how they can measure the performance of ENOs and TNOs proposed investments. I determined how public utility commissions in various jurisdictions measure the performance of utility grid resilience investments using goals, metrics, and targets. I examined specifically what Hawaiian Electric, Ameren, Illinois, and utilities in Connecticut are required to report to their respective regulators. Throughout this project, I learned a great deal about how professionals in the consulting setting tackle critical energy problems facing the nation. Thank you.